Okay, check it out. I'm making a crossover for these subwoofers. And so I got a couple capacitors and a couple, these are the capacitors, and these are potentiometers. And that's it. It's a super simple circuit. So that's running out into there and then back in to this mixer. And then the mixer goes into the computer, and then it sounds like this. Da-da-da. That's what this sound here is. And then on the right, this is what it looks like after it's filtered. And so I can mess with these knobs, and it'll affect the shape of this curve here. Like I'll set the impedance really low. And then it looks more and more like the original. But I want to cut all those high frequencies out. So I'm going to tune it down like this. This is a second order low pass filter. Ta-da!